So, now we're going to have a do-it-yourself course on plumbing called Instal Ezer. La'azor is help. Batzmacha, by yourself. Self-help. Plumbing. And here's how it goes. You know, just like plumbing, good plumbing, which is low pressure and a good flow, right? Good flow is to be happy and meuhav and to be in love with things. And low pressure is to know that everything comes anyways from the Creator, right? He sits at the top of the ladder, and everything that happens in this world are these mahalachim, these angels going up and down the ladder, right? And who's on the top is the Barei, and if you can see him, if you're lucky enough to know that all the energies around you, everything's energy, and it's all the Barei, and you're 98% energy of the Barei and 2% you. You know, and the most important, obviously, is to be a ish Yehudi, a fire of thankfulness, to connect to which is in you, is the Barei, is anyways the Creator's within you, right? You just don't see it, you can't know it, but halavai that you should be gifted to see the lights of the Barei Vahi Or, anyways. But to our inyan, to our thing with the plumbing. So good plumbing always starts naturally, right? Like you use a plunger to open a stoppage, you use a snake to try to snake through things. You try to find out what's going on first, if it's hot water, cold water, where's the leak starting, when it happens, when it doesn't happen. This information is always valuable because it's almost 80% of fixing the problem sometimes is knowing what the problem is. So let's go down into it. You know, just like the body, when you're tired, you yawn, you go, right? Or when you stretch the same way, you go, right? Or when you sneeze, you go, And sometimes it doesn't come out, but usually it goes, right? Or when you sleep, you go, right? So all these are natural ways that the body uses to relax itself. And that's where we want to try to use these to mimic for the entire day. So the body's always there at the relaxation stage. And then when you're relaxed, when the water flows nicely, right, and there's no stoppages, everything works right. So that's what we're trying to get to, harmony, right? Resetting your body, being harmonized, and being at its best for a good flow where everything takes care of itself, right? Autoimmune diseases, pains, rashes, hard to breathe, all kinds of funny things that your body takes you for a ride because you're not presently knowing what's going on. You're not present. So now let's get present using, like we said, yawning for your good health. So we breathe in. Obviously, we sit in a nice position. We don't do it while we're driving or running around because it's a little, it can get you a little dizzy. So you breathe in deep. For now, we're going to breathe in 3 times just deep and let out slow. So we breathe in through the nose, sitting up back straight, as much as we can, like we're almost yawning, and we let out, with a long let out. And we do it another 2 times. Breathe in, like we're stretching, and then we let out. And now we're going to sneeze. Breathe in, and hold just a split second and let out, just to get the feeling. Right? This relaxes naturally the body. Now let's do another stage, it's getting a little deeper. So we're going to breathe in and hold for 8 seconds, realizing Vayeda Elokim and Ve'ahavta Hashem Elokecha, realizing the Barei is the Creator, and we're so happy, we're in love with the Barei in a way, and we're connected, right? And we just want Him to know that thank you. So we breathe in. Think how gratefulness you are for being alive. You got up in the morning, you can walk, you can breathe, you can see everything, you can think, you can breathe, you can whatever you do, and you say thank you for the Barei, and you fall in love with Ve'afta. Try to be there for 7-8 seconds, and we'll do it another 2 times. Breathe in. Thank you, I'm alive. Thank you, you're here for me. Whatever you want to add in, right? Vahi Or. Thank you for the emunah. Thank you, and then let out. Appreciating, just to be so appreciated all the way down to the bottom. One more time, breathe in, Thank you, we're alive. Thank you, creators with us. Thank you, we're 98% the Bayrei and only 2% of us, and we'll be Shiudi, thanking the Bayrei with energy of thankfulness, and let out being so thankful and in love. Now we're going to do something else. We breathe in and let out, but we hold when we have nothing in our stomachs. So we breathe in, again like we're yawning, and then we let out. And now when we have no air in our system, we hold for 7 or 8 seconds. At this time, we're going to think of something else, that we're still connected to the umbilical cord of the Bayrei, of Chevel Nachalatenu. We're still connected, Bechut HaChesed, and now we say thank you for the Bayrei, like Ve'achalta, right? You've brought in the air, you're satisfied from your life that the Bayrei gave you, and Savata. And you're saying so thankfulness that you're so full of the Bayrei, satisfied, because whatever was yours, was given from the Bayrei to you in your field. So again, it's a wheat field, right? Wheat is money, bread is money, and you say thank you for the bread, right? Anyways, right? So you breathe in this time, being so thankful, right? Vayed Elokim, acknowledging the Bayrei be'emunah, and being so ve'ahavta with the Bayrei, and now hold for 7 or 8 seconds, feeling how satisfied we are from the Bayrei, that everything is given us is ours, and we say thank you for ours, and we feel so satisfied, like we're still connected to the umbilical cord of the placenta of the mother, and yonik, by thankfulness at the darkest place with no air in our lungs, and we say thank you for the Bayrei, thank you. And here you can pull in now, like you're pulling in for the placenta, you can pull in information, you can pull in, thank you that I'm alive, thank you I have emunah, thank you that I can see, thank you that I can be, thank you I love Bayrei, thank you I love myself, thank you I love everything around me, thank you for Shalom Bayit, thank you for my wonderful wife, thank you for my beautiful children, whatever you want to thank you for Yirat Shamayim, thank you for whatever, Vahi, or that I can see your lights in the world. And we do this another 2 times, you breathe in, Vayed Elokim, thank you, I'm alive, falling in love, Ve'ahavta, then again, wait at the bottom, being so full and satisfied, Ve'achalta v'savata, thank you, Bayrei, for everything. And now pull in what you want. Maybe you wrote it on a piece of paper, thank you for the Kala, thank you for the Chatan, thank you for the Shalom Bayit, thank you for the Havana, thank you for the Bina, thank you, I'm alive, thank you, the Bayrei, you're with me, all these things pull in at that spot, like you're pulling in from the Chevel Nachalatecha, from the Bayrei, B'schut Avotenu, B'schut Placentenu, from the Ima, like the Bayrei is your Ima, and you're pulling in, and you do it a few more times. Vayed Elokim, Ve'ahavta, Ve'achalta v'savata. Stay there for a few seconds, thinking how savea you are, and we're doing this because we want to make sure the very bottom of your stomach, there's something called the vagus nerve. When we can relax the vagus nerve, and he knows it's satisfied, and it sends the impulse of satisfaction and thank you to the body that we're in love, and Vayed Elokim be'emunah, and we're in love, and everything is just Yerach Tvash Shel Yom, right? That's what we want the vagus nerve, the bottom of your stomach, to feel so satisfied and so full of satisfaction and ahava and thank you for whatever you want. Thank you for yirah, thank you for ahava, thank you for whatever we said. And bring it up into your body like, wow. And now the rest of the day, we're hypnotizing ourselves when we breathe out, that it's ve'ahavta, and thank you for everything we asked for. You can even say it again while you're breathing. Every breath of the minute of the day you're taking, you breathe in, be so thankful that the Bayrei gave you a chance of life, and breathe out, ve'ahavta, thank you I'm alive, thank you I have emunah, thank you for my children, thank you for my son getting up in the morning, thank you for my wife being so satisfied with me, thank you for me being understanding, and whatever you want to just keep going. Thank you for Shalom Bayit, thank you Shalom Bayit Ima Bayrei, whatever. And keep going the whole day with every breath. Right? Called Hayom Alevavecha. V'kol levavcha, kol nafshecha, v'kol miyodecha, b'shachbacha, v'kumecha, b'lechtecha b'derech. There's no end, right? And to get more regish is even better. Uchtafta mal mezuzot beitecha v'isharecha, right? V'ayu leot al yadecha. You write down on your petik what you want, and v'yu totafot, and imagine it's happening even. Emotional, get emotionally imagining. And then it even works better, right? And al mezuzot beitecha is your hashkafa. Mezuzot is hashkafa, mashkof. And a strong mashkof of a house is a strong mashkof of you. So the stronger the mashkof, the hashkafatcha, the stronger your realization of life for the bare, and the more your ve'ahavta, which is the key of the mashkof on the delit, is the mezuzah. You don't zaz b'li mezuzah, right? Because it's ve'ahavta. That's the sod. If you can breathe all day, being ve'ahavta and v'achalta v'savata, v'yeda elokim, all day, v'yeda elokim, ve'ahavta v'achalta v'savata. Every door will open in your life to your being so satisfied, to your satisfaction, to your successful faction. So good luck. It's a lot of work, but it pays off, believe me. It pays off. You'll be harmonized, you'll be satisfied and harmonized, and just nothing around you will get you upset, and you're realizing that life is just worth it for the satisfaction of being just in love, right? And be on a Yerach Tvash day. Good luck. It's a little long, but thanks for being with us today. Good luck.